Hi, my name is Cindy, and welcome to Zen Within Meditations, where I create Reiki-infused meditations for everyone. Whether you're a first responder, teacher, healthcare provider, or simply seeking peace and balance. As a healer, you pour so much of yourself into others, your time, your energy, and your care. But sometimes in the midst of giving, it's easy to lose sight of why you started this journey in the first place. This Reiki-infused meditation is here to help you to reconnect to your purpose, restore your inner light, and remember the joy of healing. Reiki energy will flow throughout this session, nourishing your heart and reminding you of the meaningful work you do every day. Let's take this time to honor and heal the healer within you. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally, palms facing upward to receive. Close your eyes if you feel safe to do so, and begin to turn inward. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently at the top and exhale completely, releasing any tension. Breathe in, feeling that cool air fill your lungs, and breathe out, letting go of the weight of the day. With each breath, feel yourself softening, settling, allowing your body to relax into stillness. Now, bring to mind the moment you chose this path of healing. Maybe it was a calling, a defining experience, or simply the deep desire to help others. Let this memory take shape into your mind. See where you were, how you felt, what moved you to say yes to this journey. Notice the warmth in your heart as you reconnect with this moment. Let it fill you with the same sense of purpose that started you on this path to begin with. Now, visualize a soft, glowing light forming at your heart center. This light holds your passion, your purpose, and all the lives you've touched. With each breath, see it expand, growing warmer, brighter, and stronger. Feel this light moving through your chest, filling every part of you with a deep sense of meaning. This light is infused with Reiki energy, offering healing and renewal. As it moves, it clears away any exhaustion, doubt, or heaviness you've been carrying. Let yourself receive this energy fully, knowing that you too deserve care and restoration. Now, silently repeat to yourself, I am a healer. My work has meaning. Again, I am a healer, and my work has meaning. With each repetition, feel these words take root within you, like an unshakable truth anchoring you to your purpose. Now imagine this healing light within you expanding beyond your body, radiating outward like a warm embrace. See it moving toward every patient, every colleague, every soul you've ever touched. Watch as your kindness and care ripple out, creating healing for beyond what you can see. Now, gently draw this light back into your heart, where it will continue to shine within you. Feel it settle there, a reminder that your work is meaningful and that your own well-being is just as important as those you care for. Now, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to this space with a renewed sense of clarity and peace. Remember, your work as a healer is a gift, but it begins with taking care of yourself. Thank you so much for allowing Reiki energy to support you today. If this meditation brought you a sense of renewal, save it for the next time you need a moment to recharge. I invite you to explore the rest of the Reiki-infused meditations in this series, created especially for healthcare providers like you. Don't forget to subscribe for more meditations that support your well-being, and share this with someone who could use a reset. Remember, your care matters, both for others and for yourself. Until next time, take care.